Let's ride. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in as we go into the woods for Stealther by the train tracks, man. Busy rail, Amtrak, Downeaster goes from Maine to DC on it. Quite a lot, I found out. It was awesome. We had to cook, we brought some dank beers, and the weather was amazing. Check it out. Do me a favor, if you like this video, smash that like button and that subscribe button. Give me them stubbies! Subscribe, we're really growing, good things are happening, man, but I need all the subbies I can get. Thanks for watching, I'll see you out there. All right, guys, I got Hoppy Glamper with me. I got the missus. All right, we're doing the drop. All right, we're gonna dip into the woods. She's just gonna drop me, and then I'm going in. You look cute. Cute at work. Say bye, Mrs. Hoppy.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Going that way. Well, the best part is we're not gonna have to go far for wood, man. There is perfectly dry wood everywhere. So that's good. We're not gonna have to look for wood. Gonna wanna knock down some of this standing dead wood. It's a little breezy. You don't want that coming down on your head while you're sleeping, man. What do they call that? Widowmakers. That make Hoppy Glamper a widow. Though I'm sure there's times she could do without my garbage, man. That was the first one, man. Quiet. They sneak up on you, man. I didn't have much warning at all. Make some Prussic loops. Prussic? I don't know, man. So you need like, so this is the Poly Pro. I forget what size it is, but you need a smaller diameter line to make a Prussic loop. This one will do, man. You don't need too much. I'm gonna make 2 of them. So it's pretty simple. You just make a half hitch right there. See that? That way you can slide it back and forth. Make it bigger or smaller. See that? Take the other one and do the same thing. And just take out the slack. See? It's a Prussic loop. And then what you do, you need like a toggle. Any stick will do, man. You guys know this jam, right? You wrap it around 3 times in on itself. All right? Once, twice, 3 times a lady. Now you can just slide it down, man. And you can move the tarp as you need to tighten it. Very handy. You gotta pin that down, but I think I only brought 1 stake, man. But there's plenty of wood, we can make one. Not too bad, man. Actually worked out pretty well. I'm pretty happy with it. So there's a lot of pine duff down here. So I'm gonna line it with rocks from the train tracks. I downloaded the train schedule, so I know that at 14:40 there's a Amtrak coming through. I mean, they're always late, or early, whatever. It is currently 14:25, man. I don't know which way it's coming from. Kind of just sitting out here right in the open. People are busy, man. They're not staring down the tracks. Busy road over there, back there. Guys are doing construction on, I don't know, a big building. It's a big old open field, man. And I'm just this big black spot. You can see me pretty easily, man. But again, I'm not too worried about it. This is kind of an industrial area. Most people are just working and they're wrapping up their day, man. Those lights are lit up. They weren't lit up earlier. Something's coming. That was intense. I'm shaking, man. Wow, dude, that was intense. Have you ever been around a train doing like 80 miles an hour and you're wicked close to it? Like, I'm shaking right now. That was crazy, man. Like, the rails make a weird sound and it just comes so fast and it shakes the ground. Like, I'm shaking. Like, caught me off guard, man. He didn't make any noise and he came from back there. I thought it was gonna be coming from down there. No, it came from over there, man. But like a rush. That was such a rush. And it was late. It's like 15 minutes late. That was crazy. So what are we doing? We are stealth camping right next to a train track, man. A busy one, Amtrak, Downeaster. This thing runs all the way down to DC. From Maine to DC, man. So we just came out here to check it out, man. I set up a tarp. We're gonna do a cook. I brought something cool. We're gonna cook it over the fire. It's like, I think, what did we say it was, 83 degrees? 82. We just had a train go by. Man, that was wild. Oh, it got me going, man. We're gonna use that tripod again to cook over the fire. So we'll set that up. And then we'll take a walk, dude. I love train tracks, man. You guys remember that? It's the tripod and the hanging hook. Gathered 3 poles. Just gotta narrow the tops of these. 3 more. 2 more. There you go. Feed the chain through the hole in the center. Put the hook as high as you want it. And then just toggle this in the links. Look at that. These have had it. At least I don't need them to stay warm. We're gonna need a flat cook surface. So I got my little bushcraft grill, man. And in my kit, I always have wire. So we're gonna create some type of a basket to hold this up level. And a Leatherman. What do you think? Think that'll work? Let's check it out. Oh yeah. So like I said, I was set up the fire. I'm not really gonna gather wood because there's so much of it. I mean, look. What am I doing? Stuff's everywhere, man. So I'm not gonna gather it, it's already here. And then we're gonna take a little walk. I brought a dank beer to try. A good buddy hooked me up, man, so we're gonna try that out a little later. And then we're gonna cook. I think you really like what I brought. My camp's right there. There's a car just over there, man. I can still hear some noises. It's a lot closer than I thought. I didn't think I was this close to anything besides a railroad track. Dude, that car came out of nowhere. I just dove for the ground. Oh no, dude. I took a digger and... Not too bad, huh? So there's a bunch of large turkeys roaming around in the field. I don't see any right now, but it's funny when you see them. Like, the grass is pretty tall. It's I don't know. It's probably 1.5 feet tall. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it. Right to the right of that big pine out there is a turkey. I'll try to zoom it in for it. There's 2 of them. Just going through the grass. It's weird. So like they dip down and then you see them pop up and then they dip down again. So you don't know where they are. They can change. It's like whack-a-mole. Where's he gonna pop up? Oh, we got lights. Those weren't on a second ago, man. Red and green. Green over red. Does anybody know what that means? Oh yeah, here we go, man. We got one. It's moving quick. Probably Amtrak. Oh look, somebody lost their suitcase. Oh, sunglasses. Just looking to see if there's a name on it. There's a story here, man, because there's a USB cable down there. There's a hairbrush, toiletries. There we go. Secret's up, man. So what are we making? We're doing some campfire ribs, man. First, we gotta take the skin off, the membrane. Insane in the membrane. Then we cover it up. Then we just put it over the fire. It's like 1840. It takes like 2 hours to do this. So we'll be eating in the dark as usual. We got time, man. It's almost Hoppy hour, man. Yeah, while we let this cook, we're gonna try out a dank beer, man. So this is Comfortably Numb New England IPA by Muddy Road Brewery in New Durham, which is 10 miles that way. So that's pretty cool, man. Comfortably Numb, I mean, everybody knows what that's referencing, right? So it says it's 6.2%. Ooh, smells malty. Yep, smells malty, man. Oh, look at that. It looks like peach, man, like peach colored. See that? It's like blood orange color, man. Purple, pinkish, like grapefruit. Piney, like just nails you. Pine. Smells malty, tastes piney, is hazy, blood orange. You definitely got some real bitter grapefruit in there. You know how grapefruit can be like bitter? Some strong notes of that, but it's like grapefruity because it's like colored like it. Yes, malty, hoppy, perfect. Man, that's good, man. Let's check it out, dude. Established 2018. Comfortably Numb is a result of a 3-year labor of love. Juicy, hazy, hoppy, a heavy mouthfeel. I totally agree with that, man. Feel like I got like grapefruit rinds still there. I can still taste it, which is such a blast, man. I gotta check those lights, make sure nothing's coming. I'm not sure you guys are gonna be able to tell me. Piney, bitter, rind. Some good haze, man. I like the color too, that's different. Some Muddy Road Brewery, man. I'm gonna have to check that place out, dude. I haven't been. We're so spoiled. There's so many breweries, man, everywhere. We can just go get fresh beer everywhere. That's awesome. I love that. Sean, thanks, buddy. This is a fantastic beer. All right, so what do we say, man? What saith ye, Hoppy? I'm gonna do the same thing. 3.75, man. 3.75. This is a great beer. It's very different, heavy mouth feel. 3.75, that's a great number. It's a great beer. Gunshots. We need more gunshots. There's a, I'm not worried. There's a range right over there through the woods. There's a range. A store, and they have a range. So obviously they're using it. Buck off some rounds on a Friday night, right? Comfortably Numb, man. That's a good song. It's a great song. It's great beer. When you take the Downeaster, you get a nice view. So 2 reds, I'm totally guessing means coming from north, going south. Because I bet you the other side's green on top. We got lights. We're getting another one. Get out of here. You don't have long when that light goes on. Oh man, he's going fast. See that? Wow. No, I'm a mess. Look away. I'm hideous. You got anything on me? Guys, home run. This is fantastic. I'm gonna eat it, man. I'm loving it. All right, I'm gonna eat. Dude, the red light's on. Oh yeah, we're getting a train. You want to know what's creepy? It's seeing a car cross the tracks. Dude, it looks like either a train's coming or like a person. This is looking over the field. I'm just chilling by the fire now, man. It's getting late, so I'll be going to bed real soon. It's been a long day, dude. I think I always say that. Because it usually is, dude. But it's been fun, man. But it's been weird. Lots of trains, and like they totally like it's all encompassing when there's a train. You're like, whoa, this big, huge thing moving wicked fast. So it's crazy, and then you're kind of close to it, and man, I know this isn't very stealthy. That's a big fire. But there's nobody here, man. Like those lights from the self-storage, like I keep thinking I see something, but they don't move. The ones that stay still are fine, man. It's the lights that move. Those are the ones you need to be like, Coyotes. Over there, man. Dude, I'm in kind of an urban setting. It's an industrial park. And I got coyotes. I bet you that's what the bones were on the tracks, man. I saw like hair, and it was like a pelvis. You know, even though like there was that luggage bag, the suitcase, that was kind of weird. Like it was just yard saled, man. Like somebody had clearly ditched a bag on a moving train. They're just like, which is a lot easier to do than you think, man. I bet you we ditched a bag. There was like a Speedo. There was a bathing suit, and then there was toiletries and the sunglasses I found. And then there was that piece of paper I found, and that was for an erectile dysfunction drug. So I have no idea what went on. For somebody, like, what went on? Maybe it was a couple on vacation. I don't know. Why'd they ditch the bag? Like, that's creepy. Like, railroad tracks are kind of sketchy, man. Like, maybe not the best people hang out around them. Hoppy is the exception, all right? Anyway, I know I keep saying it, dude. I got a lot of things coming, like swag's coming. We're just trying to find like the correct e-commerce platform and how to best do that. So it's coming. Like, I'm testing the gear, I'm making sure it holds up. So far, I'm really impressed. But so stay tuned, okay? I'm gonna kill this light so I'm stealthy again. And then I'm going to bed. All right. I'll see you in the morning, unless something comes up. What's up? Good morning. Slept pretty good, man. It was nice and warm. The breeze blowing, dude. It was nice. It was nice. Just gonna get up, pack it up, man. And my kids got baseball games today, so like this morning. So like I gotta go. Oh, I hear a train. I heard one go by earlier at like 6, but that's it. That's all I've heard today. I don't know, we'll see. All right, gotta get moving. Little breezy and 68, dude. There's just a little nip, but it's still sweatshirt. I mean, t-shirt weather. It's beautiful, man. I'm just gonna finish buttoning this up. I'm not too worried about the extraction. I don't need my wife to pick me up because it's a weekend and there's just nobody at those. It's an industrial area. There's nobody at those buildings, so I don't care about walking. Right back to my car.